Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T, you already know what time it is. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We had to go to the Plus model, man. So that's what we got in house. Now I know this does look like a funny box, and indeed it is. This is actually AT&T variant Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and you got the branding all the way around it, but you already know it is not your same box that you get from Samsung. So yes, it definitely is a slightly different unboxing experience, but you already know everything is the exact same. Now, the color that I did go with was Aura White. I didn't like the Best Buy blue, the black. I always get a black phone, or either one of the black phone in the Aura Glow. We're just not even going to talk about it because that color to me is just straight hideous. But I did go pick out which I feel is the best color in the Note 10 Plus, and that is the Aura White. So let me go ahead and give you an unboxing experience. Once again, this is the AT&T variant. So as you can see, the presentation is a little bit different, but let's go ahead and go through it. It should be the exact same. We are greeted with the Note 10 Plus as soon as we take the top off, and yes, here it is, that very nice Aura White color. So we're going to go ahead and set this to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and set that right there because you know that's gonna be the center of attention. Now you already know what AT&T's packaging, man. They always gonna give you a it can wait little thing there. So you know that's all cool. So let's keep diving into the packaging. Flipping this open, this is basically where we are going to get all of our accessories and things like that. And of course, you get some booklets from AT&T. But let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories. And one thing that's pretty cool is, since I do have the white Note 10 Plus, we came with all white accessories basically. So you already know the power adapter, of course, is white, and that is that USB Type-C. So we already got that there. We got a SIM ejection tool. So you already know we actually going to be needing this in a minute. So I can go ahead and pop that SIM card in there. Let's keep going. We do have the charging cable. So we get the white USB Type-C cable. Once again, everything all white. And last but not least, we do have the AKG headphones. Now, if you haven't used these actually do sound very, very good. So it's better than nothing. And of course, these are USB Type-C because you already know we do not have that 3.5mm headset adapter. So, it is what it is. And of course, you do get some brand new S Pen tips. Now, I never use these. Throughout using a Note, I've never ever changed the tip on my S Pen. I guess I just don't use it that much, but if you want to, it's there. And of course, we do get our little OTG dongle here as well. Now, I think I might be using this to transfer the information from my iPhone into the Note 10 Plus. But let's just go ahead and throw all that in the bag. We'll keep this out, and then we'll keep these out here, set these to the side, and let's just get everything off to the side. All right, so here it is. This is definitely what you came to see, man. The Aura White Note 10 Plus. Now, I was really excited for this color because, once again, I feel like this is the most slept on color when we're talking about the whole Note 10 lineup. To me, it is the best color, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and take a look around it. But first, let's go ahead. We got to go ahead and get all the plastic off. So there's that first level of plastic there, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the front. Now, in the plastic right here, you see, not sure if you can see it right here, but it does have a little circle. That's basically let you know that we do have that in-screen fingerprint scanner, but we're not going to keep this little pre-installed screen protector up there. Let's get that off the bottom here, and it is powered on AT&T. But let's go ahead and take a look at basically on the outside of Note 10 Plus. I know you already seen it, but let's go ahead and take a look at it in case you are interested in the white version. So the back is actually very, very clean. We only get that Samsung branding right there in the middle. You already see we do get the new Camry, and of course Bixby will get to talking just as soon as we get going. So different camera orientation, man. You have your lens, and you definitely have your flashes and everything like that. On the bottom, you already know we do not have a 3.5mm headset adapter, but once again, everybody get over it, man. Go ahead and get the Bluetooth. Go ahead and get the Samsung Galaxy Buds, whatever you want to call it. USB Type-C, microphone, speaker, and pulling out that S Pen, man. Of course, we do have the matching white S Pen to go with the Note 10, man. So that's very nice touch, man. I like how you did the S Pen this year. I like definitely how they matched the S Pen to the color of the actual phone. Now, one thing that's a little weird that I probably gonna have to get used to is that all right side is completely naked, no buttons at all. So that's gonna be something to get used to because all of your buttons are on the left side: volume up, volume down, power, And of course, you already know they got to throw Bixby in there somewhere. The power button does act as the Bixby button as well. So, you know, take it for what it's worth. I'm not going to use Bixby, so you already know what time it is. You already have your SIM ejection tray up there with your microphone up there. And that is basically the device, man. So yeah, Aura White Note 10 Plus, very, very nice color. Now, this isn't like the pearl. I feel like it's just like a muted white, which I really, really do like that color. But powering it on, man, the screen, you already know the screen is actually very good. It actually feels very good. And I hate to say this, man, but it does feel good when you're actually holding it. I was a little concerned because of the square design, but the square design, it's not really that bad. It actually feels very good, but I know I'm not going to be rocking it with this. You already know we got tons and tons of cases that we are going to get into. So let's go ahead and pull some other devices in real quick before I end this video, man. So here is the Note 9. Yes, I still have my Note 9. I didn't trade this in because I want to do some comparison between these two. So if you look at it, let's go ahead and put them back to back, you know, front, and then just look at the size right here. The size is basically the same. The Note 10 Plus you see is just a little bit taller, but of course, you already know we're getting all screen when we are talking about the Note 10 Plus. So just giving you guys a quick unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera off. I'm going to go ahead and put all of my information in here. And of course, I'll bring you a first impressions video in a couple days later. And you already know we got to get into the cases, man. Whitestone Dome, Spigen, Caseology, Rinky, Subcase, iBlazing. You already know we're bringing all the cases to the Note 10 Plus, man. But definitely stay tuned to the channel. If there's anything that you want to see in particular, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below, man. Smash that like button, and you already know, hit that subscribe button if you rock with your boy. But until next time, later.